bright and early today. It is probably about 8 a.m. right now, and we are going to be working on my beauty room today. I'm so excited because I know you guys saw my beauty room series that I had started up this summer, and due to purchasing the new home, I had to kind of put a hold on that, but now we can go back to doing more beauty room stuff. I know it's really echoey in here. It's because this room is empty. As you can see, there's purple, it's blue. I need to go back to first grade. That has blue tape everywhere because I just masked this entire room and we are about to paint it. The paint I chose is from Lowe's and it's from Valspar, and it is called Seashore Bud, and it is this beautiful rosy nude color. It's really light, like an almost white rosy nude color. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, like I love the wall colors of my home, but for my beauty room I just wanted something a little bit more me and glamorous and just not so like tan, if that makes sense. So I will show you guys the bucket of paint. Maybe you guys will be able to tell with the swatch, not sure, but I'm trying to do better at vlogging. I know I don't have the most steady hand ever, but I do my best. But here's the bucket of paint. That's the color right here. It smells white. It looks like it's white, but it's actually like a rosy color. And I've laid down some of this clear stuff. We got some rollers. We'll also be painting inside this closet because this is going to be where I keep all my eyelash stock. Okay guys, so it's hard to tell what the color actually is on camera. I mean, I feel like you can kind of tell, and some things are still wet. So we also just painted the ceiling, but the ceiling is gonna need another coat. We just did the ceiling a bright white, like a pure white. You can see a big difference when you look at the wall color here, which is the color it used to be, versus now over here. Good morning guys. This morning we're making some pumpkin spice lattes using the syrup. So I just brewed my coffee. I already put the pumpkin spice at the very beginning. I know that looks like a little bit of coffee, but then we pour the milk in. Just do a small cup to make sure I don't leave it laying around. And then I made one for Babe too, so I'm gonna go take this to him if he's awake. Good morning, baby.
Coffee?
Mm-hmm. You hungry? I'll make you some breakfast.
A little bit, yeah.
I made you pumpkin spice.
That's why I'm gonna marry you.
Just like puppies.
I love you.
I love you. Yeah, I put up some curtains and I brought my mirror in. I just couldn't help myself. I was so ready to put some stuff in here. But yeah, we gotta finish painting the ceiling today. It doesn't look as splotchy as it did last night, I guess because it's all dried down now. But it definitely needs another coat, so we're going to probably do that today. And I have good news for you guys. I found a sofa on OfferUp. Or no, it was Facebook Marketplace. It's pink and it's only $100. I'm gonna put a picture of it here. So we're going to actually be picking that up tomorrow in here. I don't know if I want to put it like here and then move the mirror, or put it against this wall and then put my vanity here. I really don't know what I want to do yet with that. But yeah, that's what's gonna go on. And then we will also be building the pack system. The pack system is gonna go against this entire wall here. I don't know if it's really that big. It's like one of the pack systems and then 2 billy shelves on the side. So I don't know if that's actually gonna cover the whole wall or not. If it doesn't, I might move the mirror like over to this corner or something. I'm not really sure what I want to do yet, but yeah, that's what's in the books. Time lapse. I was putting together the pack system in this vlog, and then I gotta remove the tape from the closet and start organizing my eyelash stuff here, because right now it's kind of in boxes. So I've got to kind of take that all out to fulfill orders and stuff. So I will probably be doing that, because that's going to be my eyelash closet where I store all of my stuff for my eyelash company. I thought I'd show you guys my outfit today. Well, babe is on the phone, so excuse that. I really need to throw this in the dryer again. I threw it in the dryer earlier. It gets wrinkled really fast. It's like a tweed material. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go throw this back in the dryer so it doesn't look so wrinkly. But this is the outfit of the day. The paint is so attractive in the back, I know. The whole room is done, and now we're going to throw the pack system in here. Thankfully, it's only one PAX unit, so it won't be that bad.
One?
Yeah, and then the shelves. Yeah, so yeah. We're going to go and get it and bring it in here and start building it. There's a roll of tape on the floor. I could put this away.
So guys, we finally finished the pack system, and she said, hold on, wait a second. Look at what she comes back.
Stop! Hold it. I want
She comes back with this. But yeah, if you see it,
Huh?
it's for all the accessories. Oh look, she has another one.
It's beautiful, thank you.
it's turned out beautiful. She has the 2 glass drawers. The 2 you can't see.
Okay guys, so we got the couch in here and I was just messing around with some pillows. I don't know if I want to keep it like this, so any suggestions would be amazing. I will link this couch down below because I actually found it online if you guys are interested. I can't believe I bought this couch for literally only $100. That's insane to me. It also turns into a bed, you guys. So I wanted to show you guys real quick in this vlog. I got this awesome package from Joa. If you guys don't know, this is a makeup brand that's in CVS. Let me show you guys what they sent. So they sent me all these lipsticks, and this is actually a little boom box, and it comes with like a cord. Where is it? Like for your iPhone. See right here, and you can actually plug this in and it plays music, and you turn up the volume right here with this little knob. It's so cool. So finish this Pax system right here. I have 2 more that are gonna go on either side of it, but for now I finished this and I got kind of excited, so I started putting stuff on there, but I am going to do an entire video of me setting this up. So finally brought my Ikea makeup drawers, which I really needed because all my makeup is in boxes, and next I just have to bring my vanity. That in another vlog, so this is what we're looking at right now. It's a little messy, so yeah.